Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today I'm checking out a portable Bluetooth speaker called the Bugani Brief TT. It's small, powerful and designed for both indoor and outdoor listening. The design is simple and looks great. It has a fabric finish and feels solid in the hand. There is also a built-in handle which makes it easy to carry. You can easily take it with you to the park, the beach or on a trip. Even though this speaker is compact, it delivers up to 60 watts of sound power. That means it gets pretty loud. The sound has deep bass, clear vocals, balanced highs. This speaker is also IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so it can handle rain, splashes, sand and dust. That makes it great for beach days, camping, poolside music and outdoor parties. Another cool feature is the RGB lighting effect. The lights add a nice visual touch, especially at night. It gives the speaker a fun party vibe. Pairing the speaker is quick and easy using Bluetooth. And if you want bigger sound, you can connect two speakers together using TWS pairing. This creates larger stereo sound experience. Overall, the Bugani Brief TT is a solid portable speaker which provides strong sound, portable design, waterproof protection, RGB lighting, and it's easy to take anywhere. This is all about this review. If you want to learn more about this speaker, click the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to subscribe to HelloVSTV. I will see you in the next one.